Hey, hey you, remember, do something you enjoy today. Do it! So, today I'm going to make some speculaas. Since most people probably don't have access to a convenient spice mix like I do, I will put the recipe to make your own in the description of this video. Now, to make speculaas, add about 200 grams or 1 2/3 cup of flour to a bowl. Then add about half a cup or 100 grams of brown sugar, a little bit of salt to taste, and about 3 teaspoons of your spice mix. Two tablespoons of milk, and mix half a cup of butter or 125 grams cold butter to the mix. Knead your mix into a nice doughy ball. If you have a cookie shape, now is a good time to use it. Place your dough on a piece of parchment and heat your oven to 180 degrees or 356 Fahrenheit. While the oven is heating, place your dough back in the fridge so the dough gets nice and cold. Bake for 20 minutes. And there is my speculaas. My nutcracker men have lost a bit of their details, but that's okay. They look pretty good. Now let's try how they taste. Nice. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content.